Right, go for it. Oh, that is so much better with those tyres. That was half power and it definitely didn't seem as dodgy. Oh!
Right, it comes. Oh no.
Oh shit. Sorry. I'm really sorry.
Because when it's coming, it's all back to front.
Yeah.
My brain can't cope with that.
Right, let's go again. The road's actually clear this time.
Hey, that was a good one.
That was pretty good.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, there's our first crash. Oh God! Oh God!
Oh my!
Right, that's it. I'm not going flat out anymore. That was full speed. That steering's still good.
Right, here we go. Bring it down.
This is ridiculous. I literally cannot get this thing full speed without it just bloody...
Oh no, we could lose a body pin.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that all. Turn down the steering rate, it should be a bit more controlled. Oh!
Oh God, the back end lifted up there. Oh!
Something's gone wrong on it.
Lost the drive shaft.
Oh no!
Oh, your dad spent about half an hour making that. That must have gone and then the drive shaft must have shot out.
Right, we're going to have a quick search for it and then we'll put you back on if we find it or not.
So we've been searching for it for about 20 minutes now and we can't find it, so it's not looking good to be honest. So yeah, quite a few bad crashes you just saw there, and we had about 3 all in one row. I was going to say I'm going to blame the car on it, but to be honest I think it might be my driving. I just don't think I'm used to a front wheel drive car being so powerful. But with a bit of practice hopefully we'll be able to get that thing to nearly 80 mile an hour once we get that other Max 10 in there. Now it might be a little while before we get that in there, but I will try and do it as soon as possible, but it could be a couple of months simply because I might have to save up for it or I might have to wait till Christmas, so I'm not really sure. But I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and I will see you for some more videos very, very soon.